Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to update your Ventoy to the latest version. First, open your browser and search for Ventoy. The first displayed results is the Ventoy website, which is www.ventoy.net. Then click on that link. At the top of the menu bar, look for Download and click on that link. Next is to look for the latest version for Windows. In this case the file name is ventoy-1.0.94-windows.zip. Click on that file link. Scroll down a bit, and under the Assets section, click on the file name ventoy-1.0.94-windows.zip file to start the download. Once download completed, open File Explorer and browse to the download folder. Right-click on the zip file and extract it. Once extract completed, it will shows you a new folder called Ventoy-1.0.94. Now plug in your Ventoy USB flash drive into the computer. Next is to run Ventoy. Right-click on Ventoy to disk.exe file, and select Run as Administrator option. Ensure the correct USB flash drive is selected. Next you will see the latest Ventoy version on the left box and the current version on the USB flash drive on the right box. Then click the Update button on the bottom. When prompted, just click Yes to continue. This will take a few moments to complete. Once completed, just click OK. Congratulations, your Ventoy is now updated to the latest version. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.